Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start now. Choose a small target about 3-6 m away and a calm background so your brain isn't distracted. Make a roughly 1-2-inch triangular aperture with both hands at arm's length and steady your arms. Keep both eyes open and center the target inside that hole. This is the sighting position. Once centered, bring the aperture slowly toward your face without changing alignment. You'll feel the aperture naturally move to the plane of your dominant eye. Stop when it meets your forehead. Once the aperture meets your forehead, hold it there and close one eye. Notice whether the target shifts off-center. If the target moves when you close the left eye, your right eye is dominant because the right eye was controlling alignment. Make sure to keep your head still and repeat the open then close sequence for the other eye to confirm. Perform the test 2-3 times. Consistent results show true dominance. If you get mixed results, try again with a different target distance to rule out alignment errors. Finish with a final check. Repeat the aperture test while a friend watches your eyes, or record with a camera facing you so you can see which eye is aligned. If your results vary, test at multiple distances, 1 m, 3 m, then 6 m, because dominance can shift slightly for near work. Troubleshooting. If alignment still seems ambiguous, check for vision differences. Unequal acuity or strabismus can confuse results. In that case, make sure to consult an optometrist to clarify dominance and address vision issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.